What's up everyone, in this video we're going to be helping you fix Roblox is failing to launch on your PC. So if you're going through this, don't worry, there are a few quick fixes that you can use to get it running again. So simply start by restarting your PC. So it sounds simple, but it actually clears up a bunch of temporary issues. After that, you can then try reopening Roblox again from your browser or the app. And if it still won't launch, you can then open settings, then go to apps, then installed apps. From here, you can then find Roblox, then click advanced options. Next, simply select repair, and if that doesn't work, simply try reset. So another common fix is clearing up the Roblox cache by pressing Windows plus R at the same time, then type in the commands I'm going to show on screen. And once you do this, you can then delete the downloads and client settings folders. Now next, also make sure your browser isn't blocking Roblox. So try switching to Chrome or Edge or update your current browser to the latest version. And don't forget to update your graphic drivers, as outdated drivers can stop Roblox from opening. So if all that fails, try uninstalling Roblox completely, then head back to the official website or Microsoft Store, then install a fresh copy. So I really hope one of these tips worked, and if they did, don't forget to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we will see you on the next one.